Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel Stylepedia. So in today's video I have come up with the dazzling, beautiful and girlish teen nail art designs with different types of nude images that takes no time. It tends to make your hands look more beautiful, clean and attractive than ever before. There are a lot of nail paints, ideas and designs that can be made such as floral, hearts, cartoon, dripping paints, fruits or vegetables, sneakers, flags and much more than we observe in our daily routine life. So that's why in today's video here we have brought the best teen nail art designs. Now it's your turn to make them into something really worth that everyone fall in love with your latest manicure. All designs of nail art is so simple and easy teen nail art that is full of prominent colors. All of these cool nail polish designs to do at home are not only best for the beginners but it's also full of fun to have the best manicure by your own at home. Nowadays the teenager girls are more versatile in adapting the latest fashion trend than the young women. So there are lots of ways to paint your nail according to the most recent teen nail polish designs. I hope that you all love these designs. So do subscribe my channel. Thanks for appreciating my videos. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz.